today we're going to look at this right here, 1897 shotgun. This gun is just a little over 100 years old. It's got a lot of wear and tear on it over the years, but I wonder how many other guns look this good when they're 100 years old and they've been used a lot. Imagine it was abused too. It's an old takedown model. We'll show you that feature in just a little bit. It's got a hammer on it just like a regular lever action or whatever, and if you run that slide back and you're not watching out, you will get yourself with that right there. So you got to kind of hold on to it, make sure your back out of its way. So let's go ahead and do the takedown feature. Pop that over, rotate it around, pull that out, pull that up, pull that over, pull it right out. And this piece right here, as you can see, it's actually a separate piece right there. You can actually adjust it by taking this screw and sliding this little piece out and turning it slightly. And that way you can tighten it back up if it gets loose. This in here is not. I've tightened it up, it's not loose, so. Kind of old, so it doesn't work as good as it used to back in the day, but it still works. Let's load her up and shoot it. I don't even remember how many rounds it holds, but we'll find out in a second. Alright, see if it'll hold one more. Nope. You push this button on the side, then you can run the bolt. It's not the smoothest pump action, but it works, and it works pretty good. It's also a John Moses Browning design. Load her back up and do it again. It's also it's a slam fire. You can actually fire it by just slamming the bolt forward, holding the trigger down. I've got to get a couple of new parts put into this gun. I have them, but I got a couple screws that are really hard to get out, and I hadn't wanted to mess with it too much. But I get them replaced, and this thing will run a lot smoother. Alright, let's see if we can do some slam fire. I'll just hold the trigger down and see if I can just get it to fire 2 shots really fast. No, it didn't feed that second one. We'll try it again. Yeah, I mean, you can, if it goes right, you can get 2 shots off really fast. Of course, you can get all the shots off really fast. 1897 shotgun. And if you want to take a real close look at this action, how it works, let's see if we can see. This falls out the bottom, shell goes in there, it feeds it back up, and see that whole bottom part is open, and that pops up, locking the bolt forward. And see that pivots from down here, and it just pivots up there and locks that bolt forward. I used to carry it a lot, and I've shot turkeys with it and stuff like that, but got that 87 shotgun. I kind of like to carry a little bit more. It's a smaller action, it's a little bit lighter, shorter barrel, just for like carrying around for defense. But I mean, I wouldn't carry it like in case of defense of two-legged critters, but four-legged critters, we ain't got nothing big here but snakes and coyotes.